So today I'm going to show you one of my favorite cars, and it's my '07 Lincoln Town Car. This one here is a Signature Limited, so it has the halogen headlights. As you can tell, they're on right now with the corner lights. All pretty standard stuff for the town car. So let's have a walk around it, and I'll show you the trunk, the engine, as well as the interior. So let's go to the rear of it. It's all stock, nothing has been modified. It's in a pretty good shape. Let's go have a look at the top. See, it's pretty clean, no tears, except a couple of minor runs like you see right there. I've owned this town car since 2012, and it only has about 40,000 miles. I got it with 16,000, and so far it's been great. So here's one thing I do not like. Those are the original wheels, and they do start to flake. And I've seen that on many other Mercury's Lincolns, or Ford Crown Victorias. It's just not a good quality, as you can tell there, and it starts flaking all over. So for now they're good, but in the future I'll have to see what I will do about that. Has an automatic trunk, and it's pretty large, pretty deep I should say. Spare tires behind there, and yeah, so there's nothing much else to say about the trunk of the town car. Let's go have a look at the engine. I have to say the car is not super clean. The engine hasn't been cleaned. It's an Autocraft battery, all original, about 40,000 miles, so it hasn't given me any issues. Let's have a look underneath. Okay, so this is not the L version, so the rear seats are not as large as not as roomy as in the L version, but still not bad at all. See, the leather just looks good. That's from a car seat. Child seat looks clean. There's an ashtray in the door. There you go. Okay, here we see the passenger seat of the town car. Pretty clean seats. It has some storage here in the door, as well as the glove box. Cup holders. You can fold the cup holders in, move the armrest up, and you have another seat for a child or a very small person. Then we have a radio cassette with CD, ashtray, cigarette lighter, some fake wood, some real wood on the steering wheel controls. Let's look at the dash. Fuel economy, that's a timer, and you can tell the mileage is 41,000 miles. So the trip, miles to empty, and the average miles per gallon. Right now I'm at 23.5. I think the best I've had it was at 24.5 20.8 to almost 25 mpg, which is not bad for a car of this size. And before you're done, here's a look at all the books and manuals that came with the vehicle. This town car was purchased in Florida, in Daytona Beach, I believe, and the second owner was from Florida as well, and then I bought it. Alright, that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video. So leave me any comments and questions you have, and enjoy. See you next time.